Okay, can I bring you just to this here, just there?
Right, okay.
And am I looking at you?
And go for it.
Have you ever thought things at the university could be better and wanted to make a change?
We did. That's why we became connectors.
The Connector program is a community of students and staff
Where we work together in equal partnership.
And everyone's perspectives are respected and valued.
Hearing what the students actually need and want from us.
Means we can develop innovative and meaningful ideas together.
Co-creating projects which improve the university experience for everyone, including you.
While developing real-life skills that employers are looking for, like problem solving,
leadership,
Communication.
and project management skills.
And getting paid to be part of it.
The University of Sussex.
Connector program.
How students
And staff.
Make positive change.
Together.